Hi, everyone. Welcome. Welcome to Quick Grammar Drills. And today's topic for the basic lesson is going to be on a, an, and the. Now, this lesson is very important because a lot of people don't know the differences between them. And here we're going to be doing a drill to make sure that you're better. Now, if you have already done this in class with me, in a lesson, or with one of my teachers, so this is a review. You can go through this video and go through the presentation and go through it to remind yourself, because the more you do, the better you're going to get. Make sure you have a pencil or a pen or a notebook. I have a pen right here, ready to write down what I'm going to do with you. And also you can go to my website at davidenglish.info to get ready to do the practice. So let's get started. Articles: a, an, or the. When do we know if we say a? When do we know if we say an? And when do we know if we say the? We use the to refer to a person or thing that is already known. It means that we know this and it's more specific to us. For example, here, the pen is blue. The pen is blue. Why do I say the pen? Because I know this pen and it's familiar between you and I. Example: I am at a restaurant. We use a when introducing new information. When introducing new information, we use a. I am at the Olive Garden, for example, the restaurant. You know this. It's already known. I am at the Olive Garden. You and I both know about this. Here's another example. I'm waiting for the train. That means a specific train. And I'm waiting for a train means any train, not specified. An is before a, o, I, E, and U. We're going to say an elephant, an octopus, an apple, okay? An umbrella. Directions. Complete the sentences using articles. At this time, take your notebook, pen, or pencil and write down the sentences and stop the video. After you complete the exercises, you can press play and you'll be able to see me give you the answers. Okay, I will say them. And at the end of the video, I have all the answers there if you want to check yourself too. Remember that at the end of every video, you will have the answers. So here we go. Complete the sentences using articles: a, an, or the. 1. She brought book to read on the train. She brought a book to read on the train. She brought a book to read on the train. I will read the sentence twice with the answer in order for you to hear the sentence correctly, and that way it goes into your brains better. Listening is a big thing for English learning. 2. Sun is shining brightly today. The sun is shining brightly today. The sun is shining brightly today. 3. He found coin on the sidewalk. He found a coin on the sidewalk. He found a coin on the sidewalk. I'm saying a coin because it's one coin from many, and we don't know which one specifically. It's not specific coin. 4, apple a day keeps the doctor away. Here we're going to say an apple a day keeps the doctor away. A-N, capital A-N, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. 5, they rented cabin in the mountains. Now, we're first going to say we don't know which cabin, right? We don't know which cabin. It's not a specific cabin. So what I'm going to say here right now is they rented a cabin in the mountains. They rented a cabin in the mountains. Okay? If you know the cabin and it's familiar between you and whoever it is, you can say, yeah, they rented the cabin. Yeah, you know the cabin in the mountains, the one that we all know. You can say the. Okay? The more familiar you are, the more you can use the. The more specific you are, the more you can use the. Directions. Complete the sentence using articles a, an, and the. 6, car parked outside is mine. Mine, which it means to me, it's familiar, it's specific. So I'm going to say, the car parked outside is mine. The car parked outside is mine. 7, I heard strange noise last night. Strange noise. Last night, I heard a strange noise last night because it's not specific. We don't know what noise it is. So we're going to say a strange noise last night, not an, a. 8, idea suddenly came to her. Idea starts with an I. If it's an I, we're going to say an idea, an idea suddenly came to her. We don't know which idea. So we're not going to say the. We're going to say an idea came to her. 9, meeting starts at 3 p.m. Well, we know the meeting because there's only one meeting, so we're going to say the meeting starts at 3 p.m. Again, repeat after me. The meeting starts at 3 p.m. Check your answers. I hope you're doing well. Number 10, he adopted puppy from the shelter. He adopted puppy, a puppy, I think, because I don't know which one it is. So I'm going to say he adopted a puppy from the shelter. I hope you're getting the hang of it. Remember, a, an, and the. And in front of the 5 vowels, I, O, U, E, and A. Directions. Complete the sentence using articles. Let's do it. 11. The movie we watched was fantastic. I gave you the answer. The movie we watched was fantastic. Remember, guys, stop the video each time I move to a new set of questions. Stop the video, write down the sentences, and write down the answers. And then check yourself. And at the end of the video, you have all of the answers. 11. Movie we watched was fantastic. We're going to say the movie we watched was fantastic. The movie we watched was fantastic. 12. She received letter from her friend. She received a letter from her friend because I don't know which letter it is. A letter. 13. Old man lives next door. If you don't know the man, I would say, in general, an old man with an old man lives next door. Or if it's a specific man that we all know about and that we're talking about, you can say, the old man lives next door. Yes, the one you're talking about right now, the old man lives next door. 14, flowers. in the garden are blooming. Flowers. Wow, so beautiful. We're looking at the flowers right now. We see the flowers. We see them. I'm going to say the flowers in the garden are blooming. The flowers in the garden are blooming, getting bigger and spreading and looking so beautiful. 15. He bought bicycle for his son. He bought bicycle. If you know the bicycle, say the bicycle. But if you don't know and it's one from many bicycles, he bought a bicycle for his son. He bought a bicycle for his son. What a great gift. Directions. Complete the sentence using articles. A, and the. And before the 5 vowels again. I, O, U, E, and A. Now, get your pen, get your pencil, get your notebook, and let's write these down. Stop the video, and when you want, here are the answers. 16. Store is closing early today. I think it's a specific store. We know the store, so I'm going to say the store is closing early today. Again, repeat after me. The store is closing early today. Check your answers. 17. She gave him gift for his birthday. She gave him a gift for his birthday. It's a gift. We don't know which one, not specific. 18. Owl hooted in the distance. Owl is a type of animal. It sounds like this. Ooh, ooh. You know, the one that turns its head like all the way around. They're a little bit scary at night. So we're going to say an owl hooted in the distance. We don't know what owl it is. It's some owl out there from many owls. An owl because of the O. A-N and then owl. 19. Bus arrived late this morning. If it's a bus that I take over and over again, it's the bus arrived late this morning. My bus that I always take, the bus. And 20, I need new pair of shoes. I need a new pair of shoes because we don't know which one yet. There are many shoes out there. It's not specific at all. I need a new pair of shoes. Great job, everybody. Now, if you have finished this just now, you can go to my webpage at www.davidenglish.info, and there I'll have the exercises under articles in the basic category that we're doing now, because this is a basic lesson. If you thought this was easy, you can go straight to the exercises. Again, this answer key right now is for anybody that just wanted to skip through the video and go to the end, and they actually think that they know the answers. Here you go. You can check them out right here after going through the slides and everything. Again, this is a tool to make you better. I'm just trying to help you. Here are the answers that you can look over to double check. Here is the answer key for 11 through 20. Check your answers. And if you feel comfortable right now, you could go to my website and check out the exercise here to do fill-ins on my website at davidenglish.info. If you want to try a little activity with you and your friends and your family or your teacher, you could easily observe the room and describe what you notice. Be mindful of your use of articles. For example, right now on my desk, there is a bottle of water. There is a coffee mug on my desk. There are 2 markers. There is a pen in my hand. There is a book on my desk. practice doing this. Be aware of your surroundings and practice the A and the. You can say, there is a coffee mug on my desk, and the coffee mug is empty because I have already drunk the coffee. Okay? You can introduce, first of all, the object by saying a, and then you can go with the because it becomes more specific. For example, there is a book on my desk. It's actually an English book to teach English. And this book right here, the book, is amazing. You should really check it out. For more information, visit and follow my social media accounts, my website, my YouTube, my LinkedIn, my Facebook, and Instagram. And remember, right now we have just completed a basic lesson, but we're going to go all the way to advanced. So you're in the beginning stages. Imagine how much better you're going to get once we get to the advanced level. I have so much in plan for us. Let's go.
Hi, how are you today? If you would like to elevate your English level where people actually understand you, where you're not making mistakes, where you're not confused, where you have control of your English, then you're in the right place. My name is David Sugarman. I've been teaching business English for over 12 years, and I can really help you. Currently, right now, I'm teaching in big companies like Diplomat Israel, like IKEA, and others. If you would like to hear more information, please reach out to me over here. Bye for now.